In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voicemail on Android phone. So there are multiple ways to do this. So I'll be explaining it all to you in a simple and quick way. So some users don't have this voicemail option on their Android phone, just like mine, but I'll be showing you how you can see them in your mobile phone if you have one. So the first thing you can try is to call your number, because your number is your voicemail number, and then you can now access your voicemail settings, and then you can go and change it that way. So when you're calling your voicemail number, you will see here an options on how to change your voicemail account. So the other ways to do this is a lot of different Android phones actually have a built-in way of changing your voicemail settings. So you can go and open your voicemail app, or you can click the three dots on the upper right and click on the settings button. And then you will now see your voicemail option. And here you'll be able to change your voicemail settings. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.